A group of things means a collection or set of things having the same or common quality like same color, same use, same shape, same size, and so on. I will keep a few things in front of you. Will you all help me keep the things in different groups? See the picture on the screen. Now, what do you all see here? There are many fruits, vegetables, toys, books, all kept together. Let us separate them first. Keep the vegetables on one side and then keep the fruits aside. Will you keep the books and toys together in one drawer only? No. So, let us separate the books and keep them aside. Now, left are only the group of toys. How many group of things do you all see here? We have group of vegetables, fruits, books, and toys. If the proper things are kept in correct groups, it will be very easy to search those things. If all the different variety of things are kept in one place, we will have a difficult time searching for a particular thing. So, grouping things is an important concept for our daily work too. Let us take another example and group things. See the cars shown alongside. There are many cars of different colors. Some are red, some are black, some are blue, some are white, while others are yellow. So, now we can group the cars separately on basis of their colors. Let us form a group of red cars only. Then, form a group of black cars. Now, form a group of blue cars. Now, how many different colors of cars are remaining? There are white and yellow cars mixed. Finally, keep the white cars in one group and yellow cars in other group. Let us see one last example where we can group different things. Look at the picture shown alongside. What figures do you see? We can see so many circles, triangles, and some smileys all mixed. The figures can be separated into groups depending on their shapes. So, group the circles together. Next, the triangles together. And lastly, the smileys together. So, children, wasn't this concept of grouping very interesting? Practice grouping of things which you see in your surroundings. Let us match the pictures in the columns shown. Observe the columns to the left and right carefully. Form a pair of similar, means same objects in both columns. See that the picture of a peacock is matched to the peacock in other column. Let us match the other pictures in the columns. Next picture after the peacock in the column is an elephant. Now, where do you see the picture of elephant in the next column? Yes, so let us draw a line from one elephant to the other. The next picture is of a tortoise. Observe the next column and see where you can find the tortoise. Now, draw a line from tortoise in the left column to the tortoise in the right column. The last picture is of a duck. In the next column, there is the picture of a duck at the top. Form one-to-one pair of these ducks in both columns. Practice forming one-to-one pair of objects shown in next sets. Now, let us match the numbers given on either side in this set. See the first number to the left. Carefully see the column on right, where the same number is seen. Make one-to-one pair of these numbers. See the next number in the left side. See the same number in the right side. Make one-to-one pair of these numbers. See the next set of numbers. Show in a circle. Choose one number and see where the same number is repeated in the circle. Draw a line between these same numbers. Then choose the next numbers one by one and see where the same numbers in the given circle, and form one-to-one pairs between the same numbers one by one. See the final figure as it looks, as shown. Children, practice a lot of one-to-one pairing using different objects and numbers. It surely is very interesting. Let me now teach you number counting. Preparation. As we already formed pairs of numbers earlier, let us now learn to count the numbers from 1 to 10. Listen to this song carefully and repeat after me aloud. One tail on my dog, 2 ears on his head. He will growl and yelp and bark until biscuits. Now, repeat these lines again. Which numbers did we count here? Yes, the numbers 1 and 2. Let us sing further. Buntings with 3 corners, a pillow with 4. Little baby sleeps on it and gently shows. Repeat after me. Here we counted the numbers 3 and 4. Next, this is how the song goes. 5 fingers on my hand, 6 legs has a butterfly. Can you touch it with your fingers? No, no, I won't try. Which numbers did we count here? Yes, the numbers 5 and 6. Then the song says, 7 colors has a rainbow. An umbrella has 8 sticks. It protects me in the rain and does not play any tricks. With this, we counted the numbers 7 and 8. Then 9 times let us jump. 10 claps from everyone. With this paragraph, we finish counting numbers 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come out to play. Let us have fun with numbers today. Children, did you enjoy singing song of numbers? Now, let us revise the numbers we counted from 1 to 10 in serial order. Children, repeat the numbers with me. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Repeat the numbers from 1 to 10 again and again for practice. Counting preparation. See the picture of flower pots shown on the screen alongside. Now, place one stone on each flower pot as shown, one by one. Now, see the birds shown. Again, place one stone on each bird as shown, one after the other. Next, place one stone on each rabbit. Place one stone on each apple shown alongside. Now, there is a single doll. Place one stone on this picture of doll. Let us learn counting by making a dot or line for each picture. See the picture alongside. Draw one line for one bus. Now, draw one more line for the other bus. The other picture is of a single house. We will draw one dot for this one house. Next is the picture of bicycles. Keep one stone on one cycle and draw a line for it. Now, keep a stone on other cycle and again draw a line for it. Only single cycle remains. Place one stone on the last cycle and draw a line for it. We place the stone and then draw a line so that there is no mistake in counting the object or drawing a line for it. See the picture of aeroplanes alongside. Keeping a stone on each aeroplane, draw one line for each aeroplane as shown. See the telephones on the screen. Keeping a stone on each telephone, draw a dot for each telephone as shown. Lastly, there is a picture of brinjals. Keep one stone on each brinjal. Draw a dot for each brinjal as shown. It was fun doing these exercises, wasn't it, children? Practice drawing of lines or dots for different objects. Counting preparation. 1, 2, 3. See the picture alongside. Question. What do you all see? Answer. There is a car, a bird, a rat, a fish, and a rabbit. Since all objects are single, we count them as one. So now, repeat with me. There is one car, there is one bird, there is one fish, and there is one rabbit. See the next picture and count with me. How many cars can you see? There are 1 and 2. 2 cars. So say aloud with me. There are 2 cars. Also, there are 1 and 2. 2 birds. So, repeat. There are 1, 2. 2 birds. Next, there are 1, 2 rats. There are 1, 2 fish. There are 1, 2 rabbits. See the next picture. Now we can see 1, 2 and 3. 3 cars here. There are 1, 2, 3, 3 cars. Also, there are 1, 2, 3, 3 birds. There are 1, 2, 3, 3 rats. There are 1, 2, 3, 3 fishes. There are 1, 2, 3, 3 rabbits. Let us count the cars in the next picture orally. Count with me. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 cars. Thus, there are 4 cars. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 birds. Also, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rats. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 fishes. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rabbits. Lastly, let us count all the objects shown in the picture one after the other. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 cars. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 birds. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 rats. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fishes. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 rabbits. So now, count the numbers 1 to 5 orally with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep practicing these numbers orally. Question. Match the pictures and encircle the bigger number. Look at the 2 sets given alongside. There are 4 objects in the first set and 3 objects in the other set. Make 1-to-1 pair between the objects of the 2 sets as shown. As you can see, there is one object left without pairing in the set having 4 objects. So, the number 4 is bigger than 3. Thus, encircle the number 4. Look at the sets of stars shown alongside. In the one set, there are 2 stars. In the other set, there are 5 stars. Let us make 1-to-1 pair of the stars in both sets as shown. In the set containing 5 stars, some stars remain without making pairs. So, the set containing 5 stars is bigger set. Hence, encircle the number 5, which is bigger than number 2. In the next set of cars, make 1-to-1 pair between the sets. You can see that 3 is bigger than 1. So, encircle the number 3. Question. Look at the figure of blocks given alongside. And let us compare the given numbers. Out of the numbers 4 and 2, see the 2 blocks and then see the 4 blocks. You can see that 2 blocks look smaller than 4 blocks. So, write 2 under column of smaller number and write 4 under column of bigger number. Out of the numbers 1 and 5, the single block 1 looks smaller than 5 blocks. So, write 1 under column of smaller number and write 5 under column of bigger number. Of the numbers 2 and 5, the 2 block look smaller when compared to the 5 blocks. So, write 2 under column of smaller number and write 5 under column of bigger number. Of the numbers 3 and 4, the 3 blocks look smaller than the 4 blocks. So, write 3 under column of smaller number and write 4 under column of bigger number. See the number strip given alongside. We can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 written serially. Question. Now using this number strip, let us compare the given numbers and encircle the smaller number. Always remember, the numbers before the given number is smaller and the number after it is bigger. Hence, between the numbers 2 and 4, if we see the number strip, 2 is before 4. So, 2 is smaller and 4 is after 2. So, that makes 4 bigger. So, circle the smaller number 2. Given the numbers 5 and 4, see the number strip. 5 is after 4. So, 5 is bigger. 4 is before 5. So, 4 is smaller number. Hence, circle the smaller number 4. Given the numbers 5 and 2, 5 comes after 2 in the number strip and 2 comes before 5. So, smaller number is 2 and bigger number is 5. Hence, encircle the smaller number 2.